Choosing the right niche is the most important step when building your first AI-powered website, and it can make the difference between earning consistent passive income or struggling to get any traffic at all. The key is to look for buyer intent, people actively searching for solutions or products, not just information. With AI Niche Site Blueprint, this process is simplified. It shows you how to uncover profitable micro niches using proven keyword research methods that focus on low competition and high conversion potential. You'll learn to identify keywords that have commercial value, things like best, review, or services near me, because those indicate real purchase intent. The training even includes live examples so you can see exactly what a winning niche looks like before you invest time or money. Once you've found a niche that meets those criteria, the ZARP AI app can automatically build your site around it, create optimized content, and start attracting traffic for you. So instead of guessing what might work, you're building in markets that are already proven to buy, which means faster results and more reliable income. If you want to discover your perfect niche and start building your first AI website today, click the link in the description to join AI Niche Site Blueprint and follow the exact system step by step.